Hello, Barrett Lee Early Childhood Center. I am here this afternoon to announce our Employees of the Month. Now in January, we'll pick back up on our Student of the Month, but for the month of December, we have our two Employees of the Month. So let's see who they are. All right. December Employees of the Month. I can't believe it's already December. November's already over. All right. And our Employees of the Month are Miss Alvarez. Congratulations, Miss Alvarez. She is one of our early childhood special education teachers. And Miss Alvarez has been with us for quite a few years, but she does a phenomenal job not only with her students as well as on campus with all the staff members, the parents. She takes on many leadership roles here at Barrett Lee Early Childhood Center, and she does a great job in all of them. So congratulations, Miss Alvarez. Our second Employee of the Month is Miss Lakoa. Miss Lakoa is one of our paraprofessionals with our early childhood special education students. She is in her second year here at Barrett Lee Early Childhood Center. And she again is great with our students as well as our staff members. She's always willing to give a helping hand, and we appreciate everything that Miss Lakoa does. So congratulations, ladies. We hope you enjoy your December month as Employees of the Month. And remember, we will come back to you in January with two new Employees of the Month, plus our Student of the Month. All right, we're just a few short weeks from Christmas. Y'all have a great day.